This is a Casio wk-1300. It's got a power issue. It turns on and turns off. It's loose connection. It's a power connection. So the first thing is take out all your screws. Also take your batteries out. Make sure you don't lose your screws. I took all the screws off except for this back panel. You didn't need to take that off. Once you open it up, you'll see all your circuit board. And this is the power board that you need to look at right here. You find something to prop your keyboard up. I'm going to take this power board off. I'm going to flip it. I'm going to check the connection for this. See if that's what the problem is. Capacitors look good. Now that you get your power board off, this is your power connector. And you have 3 points here you need to resolder. I noticed on this one here, I do have some bad solder joints. And that's on the signable jack, whatever that means. And I'm just going to touch this up. Touch up anything else and I need to resolder, and we'll see how it goes.